Friends, this video shows how to turn on or off Samsung keyboard sound. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to sounds and vibration. Then tap on system sound. And here under system sound we can find Samsung keyboard. So right now you can see Samsung keyboard sound has been disabled. I am going to enable it. Tap here. See, now I have enabled Samsung keyboard sound. So later if you want to disable, again tap here and disable. Similarly we can control touch interactions sound, dialing keypad sound, charging sound, screen lock and unlock sound. So all those sound we can enable or disable here. So please check it.